Pigs Make Me Sneeze, an Elephant Piggy book by Willems. Oh, 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 oh. Pigs make me sneeze. Who, me? Gerald! What do you want to do today? I wanna, yeah? Uh, a what? Uh, a ball? A swim? A hat? Choose! Are you okay? I do not know why. Achoo! I cannot stop. Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if, what if, what if pigs make me sneeze? Huh? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But Gerald. Shh. Do not speak. It is too late. I. Uh, 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 Helmet time. Choo. Goodbye. Gerald. Hey. Oh. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze, and Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Ooh. Thud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze either. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. Where's that pigeon? Where's that pigeon? Where's that pigeon? I see Nuffle Bunny. Where's that pigeon? Oh, hey man, I'm sick too.